Welcome to today's educational video about how the moon was formed. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how our nearest celestial neighbor came to exist? The story of the moon's formation is one of cosmic violence, precision, and remarkable consequences for life on Earth. For decades, scientists proposed several theories about lunar formation. The fission theory suggested the moon broke away from Earth due to rapid rotation. The capture theory proposed Earth gravitationally captured a passing celestial body. The co-formation theory suggested both formed simultaneously from the same material cloud. However, none of these explained the moon's unique characteristics. Today, the widely accepted explanation is the giant impact hypothesis. Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, during Earth's chaotic early period called the Late Heavy Bombardment, a Mars-sized object called Theia collided with our young planet. This wasn't a head-on collision, but rather a glancing blow at a precise angle and speed. The impact was catastrophic, instantly vaporizing Theia and ejecting massive amounts of material from both bodies into space. Earth's surface became an ocean of molten rock. The ejected debris formed a disk around Earth, and within just a few thousand years, gravitational forces caused this material to coalesce into our moon. This theory explains several puzzling lunar characteristics. The moon's iron core is proportionally much smaller than Earth's because Theia's core merged with Earth's, while the lighter surface materials formed the moon. Earth and moon rocks share nearly identical isotopic compositions, confirming they formed from the same impact event. The giant impact also explains the Earth-Moon system's unusual properties, why the moon is so large relative to Earth, why Earth has such a large iron core, and why Earth rotates so rapidly with a tilted axis that gives us seasons. Modern computer simulations and analysis of Apollo moon samples continue supporting this theory. Recent research suggests the impact may have been even more violent than initially thought, potentially vaporizing both entire bodies before reformation. The moon's formation profoundly influenced Earth's evolution, stabilizing our planet's axial tilt, creating tides that may have helped early life transition from ocean to land, and gradually slowing Earth's rotation from 6-hour days to our current 24-hour cycle. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.